Hi guys, and welcome to the Offgrid Solar Power Channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this Bluetti EB3A 600 watts portable power station. I'm super psyched about this, so let's go get straight into this review, guys. This power station has a LiFePO4 battery in it, and it has a power output of 600 watts and a capacity of 268 watt hours and a surge power of 1200 watts. It comes with a manual. Pause this video if you want to read through it. Then it comes with an AC charging cable, which I have right here. And last but not least, it comes with a solar charging cable right here. So to power on this power station, you can just press any of the power buttons. It doesn't have a main power button on this power station. So this power station has one cigarette lighter port and then two DC barrel ports right here. And then it has two USB type A ports of up to 15 watts max, which you can charge your phones with or your Bluetooth earbuds. And then it has one USB-C port of up to 100 watts max, which you can fast charge a device on, such as a MacBook or an iPad even. I really like to use this port to fast charge my MacBook. It works really well, and I am very impatient when it comes to charging my devices, so this port works really well for me. And then this is where the solar input is, and it has a solar charging input of up to 200 watts max. It supports 12 to 28 volt panels with a max of 8.5 amps. So don't go over that or you risk blowing up your power station. And also make sure if you have portable panels that they are compatible with this, so you don't have to return this power station. And if you don't already have solar panels, I'd highly recommend ordering the Bluetti solar panels, so you know they are for sure compatible with this power station. And on Amazon they do have it where you can order the power station and the solar panels, so I would honestly recommend doing it that way. And then this is where the AC input is. As you can see, it does have this protector for the dust, and then it has the circuit protector right here. And then it has a UPS function, which stands for uninterruptible power supply, which is a great function to have in stormy weather. It can protect your computer or your CPAP device, so I really do like that this power station has that function. And then it has two AC ports. You can power up to 600 watts combined. I like to use the AC ports to power my Dash rice cooker or my Hitcher cooker. Honestly, could run both on this power station. Or even my small cup kettle. I'll have those linked below if you want to check them out. I really love finding lower wattage appliances. So if you have any other suggestions for low wattage appliances, comment below and let me know about them. I would love to hear about them, just because it's always really cool to find things you can use on smaller power stations, that I always love recommending them. So that's also why I would love to hear more suggestions for my next videos. And then it has a flashlight option right here. It has a couple modes. And then, as you can see here, it has a great little handle, and then it has a wireless charging station up here, which can output 15 watts, which I think is really handy, especially if you happen to forget your phone charger when you're out camping. You can very easily charge it this way. So I really like that it has that option and that feature. This power station only weighs 10 pounds, and then it also has a pure sine wave inverter, and that's of course what you want in any power station. Drum roll, please. So the price of this power station currently in America off Amazon from the time this video was made is $269. And it also has a $60 coupon, which makes the total cost $209 before taxes. Again, these prices still may vary. Click the link below to check the current price, especially because Black Friday deals will be coming up here shortly. So you do not want to miss out on those deals. So click that description link down below. So we're just going to go ahead and turn on my Bluetti. And then we're going to go ahead and plug in my Dr. Prepare heater. Just a little guy here. And I'm just going to put it on the low setting and just see if it works. The watts are slowly going up. We're gonna wait till it goes all the way up and then I'll look at how long it'll last on this power station. So it seems to not be climbing over 347 watts. So it says it would last about 0.7 hours, which is about 42 minutes if your battery is at 100%. So that's not terrible really. I wouldn't really suggest actually running a heater on this baby power station, but I did just want to test it out and show you guys. So we just got a new heated dual zone mattress heater. So we're just testing that out right now. So with both of them plugged in, it's taking 109 watts out. And then with just one, it pulls 54 watts. So the way an electric blanket works is it will draw the same amount of watts on every setting, but the temperature will regulate by turning the heating element off and on to maintain the temperature level you have it set on. So a lower setting will not get as hot and the heating element won't come on as often. And the higher the setting will make the heating element come on more often and thus draw more. My dog's trying to get my attention. And the higher the setting will make the heating element come on more often and thus draw more power over time. But on any setting, it will not draw the full 109 watts or 110 watts the entire time it's on. It will get up to the temperature setting that you set, and depending on how cold it is outside, it will go off and on as needed to maintain that set temperature. All we are testing here is to see the max watts it will draw and show that this power station can handle it, which it totally can. As for how long it will last, well, there are a lot of variables to that. I will drop a link to this heated mattress pad because I think it's really warm and cozy in the wintertime. And it was a really, really good deal on Amazon. I think it was only $50 with the coupon code or something like that. Okay, sorry, $40 with the coupon, and that's cheap for a queen-sized electric mattress pad, so I'll definitely link that below. So now I'm just going to go through some of the features with the app. So you can go on the login, register, or offline mode, and I'm just going to press the offline mode, and then I'm going to go to the power station right here, and then it shows battery percentage right here, and then it has the solar input right here, and then the AC input right here. And then it has the DC output right here and the AC output right here. And then you can turn on or off the DC, and you can also do this with the ACs. You can turn it off as well through the app setting. And then you can just go here and see the back end of it. So there is 3 different charging modes. So standard is just like your regular charging mode. Silent is like an eco mode, so it charges slower. And then the turbo mode is the fast mode on here. And what I really do like about this app is it gives you this warning when you press the turbo charging, which is fast charging at a maximum of 350 watts. Note for the best battery lifespan, please turn on this mode only when urgent power is needed, which is really important. You don't want to fast charge your device every single time you're charging it, just because that's so not good for the power station. So I'm happy it actually gives you this warning. So, and then it has a power lifting mode. So it lowers the output voltage to increase the wattage to run the device, but it's not good depending on certain sensitive devices, but it's fine for something like my Hitcher cooker or anything with like a heating element. But for example, don't run your desktop or something like that off that. Like that would be considered a sensitive device. And it has an eco mode. And then it has eco mode shutdown, which is nice. So if you're not drawing any power, it will shut down your power station. And then it has an LED light, and you can change the settings on the app, medium, SOS, or high. That flashlight is very bright. Okay, or you can turn it off, which is nice. So overall, the app does have some good features. So if you like that sort of thing on a power station, this one definitely gives you a bunch of cool features. But if you're not really into using an app for your power station, I'd still recommend this power station as a good option for a lower wattage power station. So if you're anything like me and can't stand the idea of not being able to work when there's a power outage, this is almost a must have because of the UPS function that this power station has, along with the fact it's super easy to transport because it only weighs 10 pounds, and the fact that it has a wireless charger is great because if you happen to forget your phone charger, you still have the ability to charge your phone, and not to mention you can hook it up to a 200-watt solar panel and charge it up in no time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to watch my giveaway video, click here, and if you want to watch one of my lifestyle videos, click here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!